Hey everyone and welcome. Are you tired of buying lottery tickets and feeling like you're just throwing money away? Do you dream of what you do with a life-changing jackpot, but it always feels just out of reach? Well, what if I told you there might be a smarter way to play? A way to shift the odds just a little bit more in your favor. Stick with me because today we're diving deep into a system that has got a lot of people talking. The Lotto Master Key. I was skeptical too, but what I found is pretty fascinating. So what exactly is the Lotto Master Key? Forget about random quick picks or using lucky numbers like your birthday. This is a digital system developed by a group of math and data analysis experts. They claim to have analyzed decades of lottery drawings from all over the world, looking for patterns and trends that most people miss. The system uses this historical data to calculate numbers that statistically have a higher probability of being drawn. It's not magic, it's math. The idea is to move away from pure luck and start playing with a genuine strategy. Now let's talk about the real benefits here. First, it's incredibly easy to use. You don't need to be a math whiz at all. The system is designed to be straightforward. You just log in, choose your lottery, and it generates the number combinations for you. It takes all the complicated calculations and guesswork out of the equation, which is a huge time saver. You get strategic picks in seconds. Second, this system is designed to improve your odds. Let's be clear, no system can guarantee a win. That would be impossible. But what the Lotto Master Key does is help you make more informed choices. By avoiding number combinations that are statistically less likely to appear, you are inherently picking from a pool of numbers with a better historical performance. It's about playing smarter, not just harder. Think of it like counting cards in a friendly game. You're using information to gain an edge. And third, it offers amazing value. Consider how much money people spend on lottery tickets over a year or even a lifetime with absolutely no strategy. The Lotto Master Key is a one-time purchase. There are no recurring monthly fees or hidden charges. You buy it once and you get lifetime access to the system and all its future updates. When you think about the potential return on that small single investment, it puts things into a new perspective. You're investing in a tool, a strategy for life. I know what you're thinking. Does this actually work? And that's a fair question. All over the internet, you can find testimonials and stories from people who've had success using the system. Not just jackpots, but smaller, more frequent wins like matching 3 or 4 numbers consistently. These smaller prizes can add up quickly, and at the very least, cover the cost of your tickets while keeping you in the game for the big one. These stories from real users add a layer of credibility that's hard to ignore. It shows that people are seeing tangible results. So, are you ready to stop relying on blind luck and start playing the lottery with a real strategy? Are you ready to potentially turn your dreams into a reality? If you want to try the Lotto Master Key for yourself and get access to these strategically calculated numbers, I've left a link for you in the description below. This is the official website where you can get it securely and instantly. Plus, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out completely risk-free. You literally have nothing to lose and potentially everything to gain. Click that link in the description, see what it's all about, and start playing with an actual advantage. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. I'll see you in the next one.